To download your complete Blackboard class roster to an Excel spreadsheet, you will need to sign into your Blackboard account. You can access your Blackboard account through MyUMBC or by typing the URL blackboard.umbc.edu. Once you've entered your Blackboard account, go into the course you want to view. After you've entered the course, under the control panel to the left, select the Grade Center and then select Full Grade Center. Once you've entered the Full Grade Center, in the right corner where it says Offline, you're going to select this and then click Download. Under Select Data to Download, you're going to change this to User Information Only, and then you can leave the rest of the options as they are, and then you can go ahead and select Submit. You can go ahead and click Download to download the Excel spreadsheet, and then it will appear on your screen.